welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing something special today. As you can see, I'm wearing my painting gear. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a nature painting, a nice nature painting. It's going to have some mountains, it's going to have some trees, some water. It's going to be really pretty. So if you want, you can grab your painting gear and paint along with me. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, that's it, guys. Alright guys, here we go. As you can see, I got a blank canvas. I think I'm going to mix some dark blue with some light blue. Mix them all together there. And I'm going to do that for the water. No, I'll do it for the sky. So, for the sky, I'm going to do a mixture of these two colors. Make it kind of random and mix them on in there. See, with painting, you're allowed to make mistakes. You're allowed to do, you know, little mistakes here and there, because that's what makes it fun for me. Like, honestly, that's what makes it fun. You get to do whatever you want. Add some pink on in there, make some color, a different color in there. Right. Some white. Now you could do whatever you want. If you don't want pink in the sky, you don't have to put pink in the sky. You don't even have to put white, but I just like it how it looks, streaks of white and stuff. It looks real nice. Now for the water, I'm going to do a darker blue, so I'm going to get a different, or a lighter blue. I'm going to do a different brush. Right? And some white. Then, we're going to try and blend them in the middle. Make sure they're nice and blended. Just like that. Alright. Painting is really relaxing for me. I really enjoy it. It's something that I can do if I'm stressed or angry or anything like that, really. Art is my go-to for anything when I'm mad or stressed, really. And as you can see, you got the water down there. The water's too green. It's like a greener, more of a greener blue color, so I'm going to add some white and some dark. There we go. That looks nice. Alright, next step. So now, we are going to grab one of these suckers. And we're going to grab brown. We're going to start making some mountains. I'm going to put the mountains right here. Just like so. Now, they don't have to be perfect. You can do a couple different mountains if you want. Like, I'm going to do a couple. They don't need to be perfect. Then, looks like I'm running out of white, so I need to grab some more white. Weird sound. Alright. Now, we're going to use the same tool, but we're going to add some white on it. There we go. Make sure it's to the side, like kind of like curved a little bit like this. That way, it's not completely flat and you're not just getting one flat color, it's mixed together. Add a little more there. next step. So the next step to this, we need more of a round but big brush. One of these would be good. One of these. Alright. So now we're going to take some green, some darker green, tap it on there. Make sure there's not too much but not too little, just right. We're going to start. It's okay if some brown mixes in with it. It's okay. That's what you want. Nature's not supposed to be one solid color. I'm going to start going around my mountains right over here, just like that. Like I said, if it mixes in, it's fine. You can always add more if you don't like it. Kind of a curve. Get some light green on in there. Then we're going to get some brown, some more brown. There we go, gotta get some brown. This is more of a darker brown. Put a little more on there. There we go. Alright. And we put some brown along it, along the green, in front of the green. Now if you want to, I'm not going to, but if you want to, you can add a little brown around it like this, so it goes brown, green, brown like that. If you want to do that, it's up to you. It's your painting. You can be unique and creative. Just do whatever you want. Alright, it doesn't need to be exact. Okay, now we're going to make some trees. I'm going to add one tree right about here. So first, take some brown. And you start going from the bottom down here. And you choose wherever you can have it over here, you can have it in the middle, you can have it wherever you feel is right. I'm going to put it right here. As tall as you want, you can have it as short as you want. Like I said, whatever you feel. Then we're going to go over here and grab this brush again. And looks like I need a little more dark green. So I'm going to grab some dark green. There we go. Very pretty green. I like how it's not too dark and it's not too light. It's perfect. Then just kind of dab it in there and tree. Painting nature is more like my favorite thing, honestly. It relaxes me and calms me down. I love it. My next color, I'm going to do a light green, because you know the sun's going to be going on it, so you're going to get a little bit of green, light green. We're going to make some highlights. The bottom, the top. If you want the sun to be coming this way, you can make the light highlights over here, you can make the highlights over there, wherever you want. Make sure they're nice and mixed, but still seeable. The lighter color, like that. I'm going to add a little bit more down here. Go up. Then I'm going to take this tool again. I'm going to get a little bit of that, a little bit of white. We're going to this. Just like that. And if you feel like there's too much white, which I feel like there's too much white, add a little more brown. Just like that. Go. More white. Gotta make sure you don't put too much white on it, because there we go, I like that. Now, 1 second. Now we are going to grab a different brush. You can use a brush, or you can use, I like to use one of these little sponges, and you're going to dab on, not too much, not too little, just enough to make it covered. Then we're going to make some clouds. They don't have to be perfect, it can be all shapes and sizes. You can make as many as you want, whatever you feel is right. I'm going to put one over here, and one going over here, halfway. Maybe a small one up here. Alright. And that's the end. That's the final result of the painting, guys. Guys, that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more to come. I'll do a lot more videos showing you how to paint. My mom can do some to teach you how to draw certain things. So yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Put that notification bell on so you know when we make a new video. Alright, bye!